What's up, guys? Gonna do a bike and camera check since my last one. I've got Canon PowerShot SX40. It's pretty nice. And then I got the Optica X Grip. Picked it up on Amazon for probably like 20 bucks. And then over here for the bike. Still the Fit Aiken S4 frame with the Cult Sect V2 forks. I have an E-Claw headset with a silver spacer. I have the Cult Salvation top load stem. Everything in black except for the spacer. And then the oldest part on the bike, the bars, Fly Montana 1 bars with ODI long neck grips, Odyssey par ends, and then for the front wheel we have a Animal LS rim with Odyssey Vendero 2. Has the G-Sport gland hubguard with a stock fit peg. And then for the middle of the bike, I have the Demolition Merit Sprocket 28 tooth, the Odyssey Bluebird chain, and profile cranks. Connected to the cranks we got Odyssey Twisteds. And then to hold all that together inside, we have a Demolition bottom bracket with a big spacer. And then got the demo seat up nice and high. And the back wheel is a Cinema complete wheel. Just a complete wheel. The gland hubguard again. And a 9-tooth driver. For the tires, we have the Demolition Momentums. They're pretty good. When you first get them, they're like really slippery and like they slide really good. It's not a good thing. And but once you wear them in a little bit, they're fine. 2013 bike.